Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're setting up a new workspace in ClickUp, so let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the left-hand menu and click on the plus icon next to the Workspaces tab. This helps us because it opens up a new window where we can create a fresh workspace. Now you need to give your workspace a name. Make it something relevant so you can identify it easily later. The reason we do this is it helps to differentiate this workspace from others you might create in the future. Next up, you'll see an option to invite team members to your workspace. You can add their email addresses here, or skip this step and add them later. It's essential because collaboration is at the heart of what ClickUp does, and this is where that starts. Now that we've done that, let's move to Workspace Settings. Here you can choose the privacy settings, time zone, and date format. Setting up these details right at the start ensures your workspace suits your working style and team's requirements from the get-go. Finally, hit Create Workspace. And voila, you've set up your new workspace in ClickUp. So we've seen how easy it is to create a new workspace in ClickUp. Remember, being organized has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.